Hello, you cheeky little weasels. Today we are studying an environmental conflict somewhere out here. Now I am located next to a bird box that you can see there if you open your eyes. Finnish people must hang these bird boxes in our forests because the nasty landowners have cut all the trees down. So there is no more left old trees and holes for little songbirds to nest in. Let's return here to the nesting box. Here you can see it's properly made. It has walls, it has a bottom, and there is the hole where the little birds fly and lay their eggs there and raise their young in summertime. But hold on, this bird box is lacking the roof. Very good air conditioning, would somebody say. But it in Finnish, dull, nasty, moist, wet, cold, everything bad, climate. It's not good for little birds to nest without a roof. So apparently the roof has fallen down, and as a good nature conservationist I must now search for the roof and put it back. Let's start searching. Oh, yes, these are my shiny new black rubber boots. Nice. Now where is the roof? It must be somewhere near here. Yes. Now I located it. Let's pick it up. Looks to be in rather good shape. Bit broken, but it will do its trick when I put it back on the original place. Yes, but hold on. There are tiny little balls on the left side of this roof. They are almost microscopic, and you can imagine two of those balls right now in the middle of the camera. They are slime molds, and now I'm in conflict, because if this slime mold is so rare that it is endangered and so protected, and I will put this roof back on the original place, then I will be a criminal, because the slime mold will die off. But luckily, there is only one person in Finland who can identify these slime molds, and I guess she is not looking YouTube videos, so I can take this back on its original place without living the rest of my life in fear that nature conservationist will sue me in a law house and I will get a judgment day and spend the rest of my life in a jail. Okay, this is this, and now it's my coffee time again. Oh my Kekkonen, I have forgotten my coffee.